One piece of my heart remains, still unturned, still holds your name. Quietly I keep you near, no one knows my love is clear. A piece of my heart belongs to you, no one else can see it through. Though someone else shares their love with me, I still hide my heart for you. I secretly think of you each night, hidden deep out of the light. No one else can ever see, my heart belongs to only you. A piece of my heart belongs to you, no one else can see it through. Someone else shares their love with me, I still hide my heart for you. You're the none I cannot claim, yet I love you just the same. Regret and longing linger too, but even now my heart beats true. A piece of my heart belongs to you, no one else can see it through. Though someone else shares their love with me, I still hide my heart for you. Even now it stays this way. One page of my heart will say, forever you, forever mine, hidden deep through endless time.